Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by inviting Yggdrasil to your server using its OAuth link. Grant the bot at least manage messages permission so it can moderate channels. Next, create a dedicated bot role and assign permissions like send messages, manage channels, and kick members. Open the config file in the dashboard or on your host and set a command prefix. You can keep the default prefix of for simplicity. Restart the bot after saving the configuration to apply changes. Ask for assistance first by typing. Help to display a full command list. Each command shows usage examples and required permissions in that menu. To play audio, use play followed by a URL or plain search terms for the song you want. For simple info use, info followed by a topic or user mention. Enforce rules by using ban at user or kick at user while specifying a short reason. Always check bot responses for confirmation. Enable logging in the settings to capture moderation actions and unexpected errors automatically. Configure a logs channel where the bot will post entries with timestamps and action details. Make sure the bot role sits above any roles it must manage in your role hierarchy. Use the scheduler to run automated messages and tasks using cron-style syntax for times. Back up your configuration regularly and test changes in a private test server before deploying to production.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.